Hello there. It was another grey and misty start for many of us. In fact, in parts of the southeast, it was quite foggy, but that fog's lifting. There's a better chance that we'll see some brighter weather coming through this afternoon. But on the whole, the rest of today and in fact tomorrow looks mostly dry and cloudy because the high pressure's with us, keeping it dry, keeping the weather fronts weak and at bay. But it's the westerly wind, which means that it's laden with moisture coming in off the Atlantic, that's keeping things, at least in western areas, rather grey, misty and drizzly, quite dismal in places, particularly the hills. So not a great day for heading out into the hills and mountains for a walk, but actually further east that breeze may just lift the cloud a little, brighten the skies, allow a little bit of sunshine through. 10 or 11 our high means that it's well above where it should be at this time of year, so it's a mild day at least. And it will remain mostly mild overnight because the cloud acts like a blanket. It stops the temperatures from falling very low. They'll get within 3 or 4 degrees of freezing in the countryside, but it's more likely that under the sky where it is clear, we'll get some mist and some fog and some low cloud returning for the Monday morning rush. So that's again a bit of an issue tomorrow morning. But again, high pressure's with us, that westerly wind bringing more moisture, and the fly in the ointment for tomorrow is that weather front. It approaches Scotland, the north and west and the Highlands mainly, and mainly late in the day, but it brings with it gale force winds, some fairly heavy rain, so that could dampen spirits just a little bit for the New Year's celebrations, but again, very limited. For most of us, it's another dry, reasonably bright day, I think, tomorrow, a little bit brighter with the more breeze tending to turn the cloud over, lift it a little bit, even give us some sunshine. Not quite as mild, but still mostly mild, mostly dry and rather cloudy for the stroke of midnight, except in the far north of Scotland. By the time that weather front slips southwards, there'll be very little rain left on it, but it is significant. It pushes the high pressure to the west of the UK, so it changes the orientation of our wind from the mild Atlantic westerly to the much colder Arctic breeze, which won't have so much moisture with it, so the sunshine will return, but so too will the cold, clear nights. Yes, widespread frosts by night. This is New Year's Day. You can see that colder weather's already in across much of northern and eastern parts of the UK, but we hang on to the mild weather further south at least. But by Wednesday, it will be felt right across the UK. As I say, despite those nighttime frosts, the payoff is daytime sunshine.